So, you're looking for a freezer repair? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Brandon Harris, the owner of Dependable Repair Services. Dependable is the oldest appliance repair company here in the Atlanta area, servicing homes and businesses since 1970 when my dad started the company. That's well over 45 years. I know there's many appliance repair companies, and you're likely wondering why I use Dependable. For over a year now, each customer has emailed an opportunity to review their repair online when the repair is finished. That review will appear on our website for a while, as well as Google and others for your neighbors to read. We are rated A+ by the BBB, and we have received many awards, including the Bosch Thermador Gaggenau Servicer of the Year Award for the Southeast region for many years. So just give us a call at the number on the screen. Dependable repairs all major residential and commercial appliances, including refrigerators, freezers, ice makers, dishwashers, washing machines, dryers, and stoves, to name just a few. We have 16 trucks staged in areas including Atlanta, Marietta, Alpharetta, Cumming, Woodstock, Canton, Roswell, Lawrenceville, Douglasville, Decatur, Conyers, and Peachtree City. Our trucks are stocked with most common parts, and large parts such as compressors and condenser coils are at our shop, plus we have access to special parts from warehouses around the area. Our technicians have been drug tested and background checked to protect your family. They wear floor protectors and use service mats to protect your home. They have testing equipment and computer access to manuals, as well as years of experience, and are factory trained to service and repair all major brands of appliances, and are factory authorized to repair and service many including Sub Zero, Frigidaire, Bosch, Thermador, as well as Electrolux, Wolf, Asco, Fisher-Paykel, DCS, and Gaggenau. So give us a call at the number on the screen or click on the Schedule Now button on our website and schedule your own call. When you call, the customer service representative will schedule an appointment window, often the same day. The technician will call when he is finished with his previous repair, so you don't have to wait for him. The technician will arrive on time in a dependable truck with a dependable uniform. He will troubleshoot the problem and quote you a flat rate repair price before any work is done. He will leave the area in as good or better shape than when he arrived. All appliance repairs are guaranteed, and the diagnostic fee is waived with paid repairs. We take all major credit cards and have discounts for seniors and military. So again, when you're looking for a freezer repair, give us a call at the number on the screen or click on the Schedule Now button on our website and schedule your own call. We look forward to servicing you soon. Thank you.